Okay, so please be aware that I just moved in. Well, like a month and a half ago, I just moved in, so I don't have like anything on my walls. Trust me, I'm not a psycho. There will be things on my walls eventually. Okay, so we're gonna start with the sheet. This will be very difficult for me, and I have a fucking duvet cover, so let's wait for that. I would literally do dishes every day for the rest of my life to not have to put bed sheets back, because I always get it wrong. Like, I bet you any money this is just going to be the wrong length. I don't even know if it's inside out or not. Everything's falling. Okay, so this is going to be the trickiest part, the corner, after you've done all the other corners. This isn't even lining up. Like, I just don't fucking understand. I probably have a really poor technique as well, but my mind, although I'm a smart cookie, yeah, this is wrong. My mind doesn't work like this. Spatial awareness or like shapes, like, forget about it. Look, like, what am I doing wrong? Like, just watch how long this takes me. Perfect. Love when that happens. I'm done. I'm fucking gonna fucking lose it. Like, I think it's fucking wrong again. How? Hold on, maybe I got it. Oh my god, dude. I feel like maybe there's like too much over here. Okay. I feel like it's wrong. Sorry, this is literally just my ass. What I need to do is pull the bed out. The corner is like right here. It's supposed to be over here. Always find a pair of glasses on the floor when I do this, because I own like 8 pairs, because I'm mentally unwell and find pleasure and solace in spending my money on things that I don't need. This is so fucked up. It's so loose down here. Okay. All right. We're gonna count this as a victory, even though it's very fucked up. You can't see, but all right. Easy part's over. Let's put this fucking duvet cover back on. Now, a lot of my friends have tried to give me good techniques on this. One friend says, like, do you see how out of breath I am? One friend says, like, turn it inside out and just like keep rolling it. And then another friend says something else. And then I always end up crawling into the duvet cover. Like, my whole body will go into the duvet cover so I can pull the comforter in and pull up the top. And then this is typically what I do. Like, I just try to find the end. That's a pillowcase. I just try to find the end and pull the corners. And then hope. Oh my god, this is so fucked. I fucking hate this so much. I want to cry. I'm being stupid, I know. All right, so I feel like I got the bottom and the top, and then I typically just like do this until I feel like it's like even. And I do a second check and I pull again so that it's at the top. Oh, so fucked. See that really loose part right there? Okay, I'm gonna go to the end of the bed and try it again, like this. Sorry again. Also, I'm just gonna accept that as done. That's as good as it's gonna get tonight. Just buttoning it up now, you know, so it doesn't mess up because it's so fucking perfect. Fun fact, the cat threw up on my bed today. It needed a good wash anyways, but yeah, that was the, that's what made me do it. Okay. Easy as pie.